Are you planning on traveling to Thailand or wondering if Koh Samui is the place to be? Not to worry. We'll break it down for you, detailing all you need to know about this beautiful tropical island. From warm, friendly people to amazing food and picturesque beaches, the second biggest Thailand island has got it all. In today's video, we're going to share some exciting things to try and places to visit, and hopefully provide answers to all the burning questions you might have about this magnificent place. Let's dive in. Welcome back to the Grand Luxury, where we look at all the things related to obtaining and living that luxury lifestyle. Here, we look at 5 things you must do at Koh Samui. So once you've made all that money, this is where you can splurge it and live like a king or queen in paradise. Before we begin though, let us ask you, have you ever been to Koh Samui? What was it like? If you haven't been, where's your fave vacation spot? Please let us know in the comment section below. Now, let's take a virtual vacation and see what this paradise in the sun has to offer. Why visit Koh Samui? Koh Samui is an island that has something for everyone, so why wouldn't you visit this paradise on Earth? For one, anyone going to a Thailand beach would probably like to swim and sunbathe, right? Well, Koh Samui has got loads of beaches to choose from. If that isn't your vibe, you can find endless entertainment and activities and beautiful Buddhist temples and statues on the island. They got incredible local and international cuisines for you to choose from. There are also countless night markets to grab a quick bite or buy lovely souvenirs. And if you're an enthusiastic partygoer, you'd find the nightlife at Koh Samui very thrilling. But if you're the peace and quiet kind of person, the island offers that as well. So, bring your partner, friends, family, or business associates, and you'll indeed have a fabulous time at Koh Samui. But how can you find all these? Didn't we just tell you we've got you covered? Let's get down to the deets. Getting to Koh Samui Island. Of course, getting to this mystical island is the first thing to get done. Luckily, finding your way to Koh Samui from any part of Thailand is pretty easy. Ferries leave from the Don Sak Pier on the mainland all day, and since it's the closest of the Gulf Island to the mainland, it takes about 1 hour by fast ferry. Other nearby islands also have speedboats and ferries that offer rides for you and maybe your rental car to the island. And oh, Koh Samui also has an international airport, in case you're the type that gets seasick. But if you're not, the ferries and boats add to the experience. Koh Samui geography and map. On the map, Koh Samui may look like a little island you could walk across back and forth, but it's actually the second largest island in Thailand, only smaller than Phuket. Koh Samui is located in the Gulf of Thailand, off the east coast of the Kra Isthmus, and a part of the Surat Thani province. It takes about 1.5 hours to drive the 31 miles of road around the island. The middle of the eastern shores of Koh Samui is the island's most developed, with Chaweng and Lamai being the epicenters of tourism. It is also common for tourists to base themselves near the beaches of the north, where there aren't too many parties, and the hotels and restaurants cater to everything from backpackers to families and retirees. The political center of the island is Nathon, which, for some reason, is of little interest to most travelers. The interior of Koh Samui is mountainous and offers stunning views, waterfalls, and coconut palm plantations. To the north of Koh Samui are Koh Phangan and Koh Tao, which you could visit on the same trip. But for now, let's pay a visit to some of the amazing beaches Koh Samui has to offer. Beaches of Koh Samui. Chaweng Beach. Chaweng Beach is by far the most popular and developed touristy beach on the island, but that doesn't mean it's the best. It all depends on what you're looking for. The beach is beautiful with soft sand and enough room to find a great spot in the sand, or you could simply rent a sunbed. The beach and the area are jam-packed with resorts, restaurants, souvenir shops, snack bars, and all kinds of fun activities. The nightlife? Whoa, it's buzzing, especially in northern Chaweng, if you need a place to boogie down in the evening and check out some attractive peeps. Ah yes, Chaweng Beach is one of the most popular and well-known beaches on Koh Samui for a good reason. It boasts a popular spot for nightlife with a variety of bars, clubs, and restaurants that stay open late into the night. The beach's nightlife scene is lively and diverse, offering something for everyone from live music and DJ sets to beach parties and fire shows. One popular club we recommend would be the Green Mango Club, known for its lively atmosphere, great music, and party atmosphere. Chaweng is basically for those that don't mind sharing space with other people. If that's not your cup of tea, the southern part is quieter and more serene. Again, it all depends on what you're looking for. Lamai Beach. The next beach is Lamai Beach, the second most popular one located in the south of Chaweng. Known for its white sandy beaches, crystal clear waters, and lush tropical surroundings, Lamai Beach is a popular spot for swimming, sunbathing, and other beach activities. The beach is also home to a number of restaurants, bars, and shops, making it a great place to spend a day or even a whole vacation. Additionally, Lamai Beach is conveniently located near other popular tourist destinations on the island, such as Wat Lamai and the Hin Ta and Hin Yai rock formations. The beauty of it all, Lamai Beach isn't as crowded as Chaweng Beach, thus giving you plenty of privacy. We must recommend one popular restaurant near Lamai Beach called the Lazy House Samui, which is known for its delicious Thai and international cuisine, as well as its laid-back and casual atmosphere. Yum! Book us a reservation already! Are you enjoying your virtual holiday? If so, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell notification icon to all so you never miss an upload from us. Coming up, things are about to get more beachy and filled with lots of activities, temples, and more. Are you stoked? Stay with us until the end to find out on all this great content. Now let's get back to exploring. Beaufort Beach. If you're looking for a quiet, secluded beach, then you should check out Beaufort Beach. It's got a calm atmosphere and can be found in the northern part of the island. The only con is that prices on this beach are a bit higher than average for Koh Samui, but it's got an expansive stretch of sand with a good swimming area by the west. In the east, the water and sand aren't all good, but it offers a better option for those looking to stay close to the Fisherman's Village. More on the village in a bit. The historic area of Beaufort has a bunch of shops and restaurants in rustic-style buildings. Overall, Beaufort Beach is known for its laid-back atmosphere and charming Fisherman's Village. It's a great spot for families and couples looking for a more relaxed and quieter atmosphere. The beach is lined with a variety of restaurants, cafes, and bars that offer a mix of Thai and international cuisine. The village of Beaufort is also home to many charming and unique boutiques, art galleries, and souvenir shops. Visitors can also take a stroll along the beach, enjoy the sunset, and relax in one of the many beach loungers or parasols available. Koh Samui has other great beaches, such as Manam Beach, which is famed for its long beaches ideal for long walks, Bang Po Beach, which offers calmness and views of Koh Phangan, and Chongmon Beach, which is a bit exclusive and frequented by European travelers, and many more. We could go on and on about the numerous beaches on this island, but since beaches aren't the only thing the island has to offer, let's check out other things to do. Other things to do in Koh Samui. Aside from chilling at the beaches and sunbathing are so many cool things to do at Koh Samui. A visit to the Big Buddha Temple. There's absolutely no way you'd visit Koh Samui without spending some time with the graceful golden Big Buddha. This is a 39-foot-tall statue located in the northeast part of the island, just north of the airport, so there's no way you'd miss it. The statue is on a small island attached to Koh Samui via a bridge. At the base of its stairs, you'd find little Buddha statues, clothing, and other souvenirs, as well as a few restaurants. Remember, this is a sacred place to the locals, so dress appropriately by wearing clothes that cover your shoulders and knees. A pro tip would be to go there in the morning, as the steps get very hot in the afternoon. Similarly, a visit to Fisherman's Village. Another place most tourists don't miss is the famous Fisherman's Village, famed for its huge night market. As the name implies, the village was once for fishermen, but now its original shops have been transformed into restaurants, tourist shops, accommodations, and galleries. Stop by for a Friday evening to explore the enormous night market. And if you like walking streets and Thai markets, then you'd enjoy yourself on Koh Samui. The island has got loads of them, offering inexpensive food options, clothes, cocktails, souvenirs, and much more. Meanwhile, you could also check out the Elephant Gate and Wat Kiri Wang Karam. The former is, as you might have guessed, a gate with two gigantic elephants. The site isn't much of an attraction per se, but it makes for a really cool location for some Insta-worthy photos. Next, further down the road is where you'll find the Wat Kiri Wang Karam Temple. Not sure about taking too many Insta-worthy shots at this one though. The best part about visiting these historic temples is that they offer free entry and rich exposure to Thailand's history and tradition. Who needs those artificial Epcot Center theme park locations when you've got the real deal? A vast amount of other activities. There are several other beautiful places, like the Wat Plai Lam Buddhist Temple, which is quite close to the Big Buddha and houses the 18-armed statue, as well as a fat, laughing Chinese Buddha. And I wasn't trying to body shame it because locals say that its fat signifies wealth and prosperity. On your trip, you could also visit Lam Sor Pagoda, Wat Ratanakosin, Pagoda Khao Hua Juk, the Secret Buddha Garden, the Ang Thong Marine National Park, and plenty of waterfalls and lots of viewpoints. Hope you're taking note. We've planned the perfect holiday for you here. When I said Koh Samui had something for everyone, I meant it. You'll never be bored on this island, as they have sports activities like football/soccer, football golf, Thai boxing, tree climbing, and go-karting. There are gyms and yoga schools that offer retreats, shooting ranges, paintball arenas, fruit carving, and Thai food cooking schools. Or you could explore the jungle on a quad bike. So, is Koh Samui really worth visiting? I believe you have enough information to help make up your mind about this island. And by the way, if you've not figured it out yet, it would be an insult to only mention 5 things as stated in the video title. We thought we'd give you a bunch more. For the sake of time, we must cut it short though. With that, we've come to the end of another exciting episode on our channel. If you have any questions about Koh Samui, be sure to share them in the comments below, and we would be glad to answer them. And if you visited, share some of your favorite things about the place with us. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye for now, and we'll see you in the next one. Happy travels!